3 seconds! This machine was almost total. A single heat dissipation issue nearly ruined a piece of equipment worth hundreds of thousands. Our client was stuck in what seemed like an unsolvable loop. This unit packs a whopping 275 watts of power. The heatsink you need won't fit into the compact space of your industrial computer. The ones that were fit can't handle the hand temperatures and the dust of the factory floor. Our solution was to rewrite the rulebook and craft a tailor-made plan for this tough problem. We used 3D bending technology to fit 6 high-performance heat pipes inside this metal enclosure. Building a thermal superhighway right here. Pair that with an IP68 rated fan and we solve the dust and the moisture intrusion straight from the source. Precision structural marching, unleashing uncompromising thermal performance. The final solution successfully kept the temperature rise firmly at 24.4 degrees, fully meeting the stringent standards of industrial control. The client's on-site test passed on the first try. In the world of thermal management, we do one thing and one thing only: turn the toughest heat challenges in industrial sectors into rock-solid cooling solutions. What kind of thermal management challenges do you want to see in the next episode? Let us know in the comments.